Yeah, man, the big bad Lee Major, you don't know. We is a Keisha Las Vegas road show. Yeah, man, 100% of talent. What we say? What we say the style name, bring your talent. DJ like Mad Dog. Yeah, man, our general. Hosted by $1 Million Voice. Everything nice. Yeah, man, bring out your talent. Dancers, DJ, sing J, instrumental, acrobats, cheerleader, poets, skit, the whole entourage, man. And come up, come show the talent and endorse the thing. Grand prize, 250,000. Yeah, man, weekly prize, 25,000. Also, 100,000 for perfect score. Lee Major said that, man. You're cheating on me, I'm cheating on you. You mustn't think say the rude boy silly. Girl, you fake like me vanilla. Say when you see me get the out here, come give me. You say you're gone with your grandmother affiliate. Me get a call, say them see you with Billy. Ring, ring, nobody ring off me silly. Pan the river, me a chill like Ellie. Give me my ice and give me any. Later on in the club, me a go shell it. You cheating on me, I'm cheating on you. You don't know the thing going on. Cheating on me. 100% talent. Boom! A big thing. So the thing said.
No stress. Cheating on me, I'm cheating on you. No stress.
I'm cheating on you, you cheating on me.
100% talent, Jamaica.